TechInsights has started the teardown analysis of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold8. The Galaxy Z Fold8 is designed with a Qualcomm Snapdragon Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy. The model used in this video has 12 GB of LPDDR5X memory with 256 GB of storage. Both of the memory ICs are provided by Samsung. The total shipping weight of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold8 is 431.5 grams. This includes the box, the cable, documents, and the smartphone. The new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold8 weighs 204.9 grams, which is over 10 grams lighter than the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7. You can continue to watch the teardown video by logging into the TechInsights platform.